These
on
really
the
nice.
website, but they're really expensive. Like this one is $238 on the website.
It's called Hexclad.
You want to take a picture of the box?
Yeah. I'm actually taking a video. It's just easier. But yeah.
Do you want to see it?
Sure. Sure. Sounds good.
Just that real fast.
All right.
Alright. So we said these are stainless steel and ceramic. So stainless steel protects it from scratching, and ceramic makes it non-stick.
That's great. Yeah, the pans I have at home now are ceramic, but they scratch easily.
You can use metal tools, metal utensils
Yeah,
with these, and it won't scratch them.
that's great.
You only have metal utensils with yours. It's been great. You can even cut on them. You can use them on gas, electric. You can put them in the oven up to 500 degrees. Then
Radiant.
Pardon?
Well, you've got it on radiant right now as it is.
Yes,
So
this is induction. Everybody thought so. It is good for induction as well.
Yeah.
It's magnetic stainless steel, but it doesn't have full induction. I even put this one on a campfire.
Oh, nice.
All that happened was the bottom got a little bit black. I just took a sponge to it and right off.
Yeah, the wok's really nice. I really like that wok.
Yeah. Ooh, I already burned this.
Already?
And I'm just not gonna set it down. See how it's on the sides, how it starts to like remove and bubble up
Yeah.
and remove itself like from the pan.
Yeah.
See, I have a cool trick to show you. If I can pull it off.
Okay.
really possible.
If you can pull it up. Do you want me to stand back?
That's probably smart.
Yeah. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's cool. Yeah, wow. That is really cool.
Shouldn't have touched the hot. There we go.
I was like, hopefully you got a utensil to get it out. But that's great. That was really fast too.
Right? That was neat. That's my favorite part of training.
Thanks a lot. I'll show this to my fiance and hopefully he'll let me get him.
And for $349 you get all three of these pans, their lids, and the wok.
And the wok, yeah.
And this lid fits on the wok and the large pan.
Oh, nice. So that's good that we get the lids too, not just the pans. Yeah, okay, thank you very much. What's your name?
Sarah?
Sarah. Thank you very much, Sarah. I'm Danielle.
Nice to meet you.
Have a good day.